Here's your surprise, Lily.
What's in?
It's a new book. Do you know what it says? You do? What does it say?
What's it say?
You want me to read it? Okay. It says, what to expect at preschool.
What's this?
Preschool. Do you know what preschool is? What's preschool? Starting next week, you are going to be going to school, to preschool. Do you remember the school that we went to see? You're going to go there. You're going to start going there next week, and you're going to meet new friends, and you're going to have a teacher.
What friend?
New friends. Remember all the friends that we saw there? We're going to meet some new friends, and you're going to go to preschool. Are you excited? Yeah?
Is that doggy going to be out there?
Is the doggy going to be there? No, I don't think the doggy's going to be there. But we're going to read this book later tonight, and it's all about preschool. So you know what to expect. Is that exciting? Are you excited? Yeah.
Where's it from? Where's it from?
It's for school. It's to take to school. And this is your lunchbox. Every day you go to preschool, we're going to put your lunch in here, and you're going to eat with your friends.
Okay.
Yeah? Excited? It's going to be so much fun. I'm glad you're excited.
You gonna put on your backpack?
Let's try it on. Come on. Here.
It's big, Will.
Yeah, it's a little big, isn't it?
I don't like it big.
Well, we'll have to,
Have to adjust it.
yes, give it a temperature.
What is it doing?
Fix it. All right, how about that?
Let me see you.
Oh, look, a bug bite.
Yeah, you do have 2 bug bites now. And we'll zip up your lunch.